I love.
Hey traders! Hope you are doing great. Trading is all about waiting for the right moment, and now we have one. The price is at a strong resistance level, and we see rejection from this area. This means sellers may take control, and the price could move down. If this level holds, we could see a strong drop. This is a high probability trade setup. Now, the important part: where to enter, stop loss, and take profit. These details are shared in our private group. If you prefer trading alone, that's okay. But understanding stop-loss placement and rejection candles is key to success. If you want accurate trades and expert guidance, contact us now on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group. Make your trading easier and smarter.